And this video came out of nowhere. What's up, everyone? So I'm always gonna show you guys ways you guys can save money. And one of the ways you can save money is stop buying batteries from Walmart or Target and getting these batteries, right? Because you're gonna need these batteries for your money guns. You're gonna need these batteries for your bubble guns and for your controllers. There's certain controllers that take AA batteries and some AAA batteries. So for me, what I done is instead of buying these batteries periodically, what I'm about to do right now is, and I've done this before for different size of batteries, I'm gonna buy this rechargeable power bank where I can put 8 batteries at one time, AA batteries. So this is gonna be for my money guns and my bubble guns. And it has about, it says here, I think 1600 charging cycles. You know, this one's 1200 cycles and it's 2800 millihertz. So this is definitely gonna be worth investing in. That way you guys don't spend so much money on batteries. And like I said, this is super cool because you guys don't use the money guns and the bubble guns throughout the entire event to the very end. So this is definitely something I would recommend.